But the moment we have a hearing and we have to deal with the facts and we get to information, this is not an issue of parallel evidence or something that they try to gain through like context. Some of this stuff is just plain language issue. And when there's a
Mhm.
plain language issue, it's a plain language issue. So again, just make sure that we understand the rule and make sure we respond accordingly to whatever it is they file. Daly, you got anything? Mike, anything? Because you know I'm getting ready to hop out of here as
I got
quickly.
I
Go
got
ahead,
one
Daly.
more thing, Greg. Just one more thing.
All right.
So I do want to update y'all on what's going on. I did the appeals process did it was dismissed partially on my problem because I thought I was supposed to file a direct appeal, but in Georgia you're supposed to file a discretionary appeal pertaining to any issues regarding the child support. 30 days expired, but I do still have remedy. I would just have to basically uh, file another either a motion to set aside judgment or I would have to get the judge to answer the motion to reconsider. But I just decided to kind of like leave that on hold right now because I'm in the process of trying to get full custody of my kids, and I don't want the undoing of any of the child support, the issues that I had from child support to reflect on their my legitimization and all that good stuff.
Aren't those separate issues?
Not necessarily because I would have to address because I am legitimized. I am legitimized, so I would have to address that as well because I said it was an issue with that because any issue, any because I am legitimized, so I was legitimized after I was put on child support, so I would have to waive my legitimacy, my legitimization as well, due to the fact that the father or the quote unquote uh,
Presume,
married husband, presumed father, was not present at the time of my legitimization.
hold on. You said legitimization and you said child support.
Yeah.
Is it necessary to be a legitimate father to be uh, ordered to pay child support? I'm not. It's kind of rhetorical, but that's an issue. That issue is does the person have to be the lawful father in order to be placed upon child support? Because we have an issue in another state that might be a little bit different, but that's one question
Hmm.
that you may want to have asked. Secondarily, is a child support order is child support ordered on a non-legitimized father valid? And Daley and Brett can slice the length of the question down, but essentially, it's not. They're not separate. I mean, they're not the same. They're separate. Because one is, are you? Well, actually, is another issue. Are you a legitimate father? That's one.
Hmm.
And then we have to find out what order do these things have to be uh, legally determined. Which comes first, the legitimization or the? I don't know what your other issue was.
Well, the child support would come first, of course, because
Wait,
we all.
no, I'm not asking you that. Give me some law that says child support comes before legitimization. Now, how does that make sense?
Well, in the state of Georgia, it does. And I
Hold on.
recently